Welcome to South Carolina.
Morning, mom.
Guys, it's what? It's about 3 a.m. Airport is a ghost town. And I'm heading through. Good. I think some cinnamon, chicken soda and cinnamon. It smells good. Alright guys, it's not outdoor cooking today, it's some indoor cooking with some outside eating, so let's do this. It crystallized. Wait guys, technical difficulties. So my sister doesn't use the baking powder a lot guys, because fried dumpling is a thing that we've all tried to master over time to get it to taste like our mothers. So the baking powder is baking rock. So I'm just using a fork to get it. You know, there are some things in life that no matter how you try, they just don't taste like your mother's. Banana fritters is that thing for me. And maybe fried dumpling as well, but I've gotten better over time. Let me know in the comment section, what's one thing your mother makes that no matter how you try it, no matter how you try to replicate it, it just doesn't taste like hers. It's getting there guys. Also, like I said, I have to make it a habit and tell you guys to just kindly subscribe to our channel, like the video and leave a comment. Let us know where you are watching from. It always helps the channel to grow. Hey Israel. Right, it's getting there guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna leave this, I'm gonna cover this maybe with some saran wrap or something to have it set. Then I'm gonna go on to doing the meat. Alrighty guys, we're gonna be pairing the fried dumpling with some saltfish and franks. My first time I'm gonna be having that, so I am excited. Alright guys, let's check on the dough mixture. Alright, it's ready. Super soft. Guys, I found a pine cone. Whoa. They definitely don't have these in Jamaica. Yeah, so these are the pine cone, guys. A bunch of them on the ground. Crazy, right? The tree is it's a thing of beauty how tall it is. Isn't God great? From the tiniest tree to the tallest, everything, just the imagination is just always at play. And of course, it's in the fall season, so the leaves are changing their color, which I absolutely love. Fall, I think it's such a beautiful season. Everything's changing, and it just reminds us in life that everything has its season. Things come to an end, things change over. People we once loved, they may no longer be with us, and people we didn't even know will come into our lives. That's the beautiful ebb and flow of life, and we have to surrender to it. When things are ready to go, they're ready to go, and when things are ready to find us, they will find us. And in each scenario, we must be grateful, we must be thankful, and we must trust that life is looking out for us, which is something that I'm learning myself, to surrender to life and understand that whatever it takes, it has to be for a reason, and whatever it brings, it must be my season. I know the poet in me just always, you can hear some sirens in the distance. The poet in me always just wants to spare a word of encouragement, of gratitude, of love, because everything comes back to that. You know, we all have our problems and our stress and all that in life. So if you can show some love, show some love. If you can shine some light, shine some light.